Dumelang landlords, this is your tenant Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlords, entertainment or YouTube news. I think you guys saw the video that Owami made of her losing everything. Yo guys, Owami lost all her important equipment that she does her recording with. And I know we like to report on the negative and but let us be honest, knowing Owami is a hustler. Owami is the girl that she thinks she is. She will go out there, look for something and come back with it, how she built her channel from scratch. And like she is saying, honestly, it is my first time seeing a video of Owami asking for money, and also that's why I would never ask for money even when my YouTube channel gets demonetized, because it's women like her that showed me Uguti, you push, so I feel so sorry for her. And I did not watch her to hell and back that much, ne? I went to watch when they did that 3-part episode of a mom that lost her son and the family members were just being rude to her. And I was like, wow, Owami is doing great work. Owami is pushing. Owami is just basically doing it like journalism, and she's doing it so effortlessly. And I know when we look at it, we'll think like, no girl, has got this, but there's a lot that goes to that production. And I must say, I am so heartbroken. I'm so heartbroken. Please guys, let's help Owami. We know Uguti, she would not make a video like this if her back was not turned against the wall. Ugo, at this point, I feel sorry for her, because then it means Uguti, all her customers would have to be refunded or something, because now she even lost her memory sticks. Like the people stole content, like that's how cruel people could be. But yeah, she did explain that all those things were not insured because insurance is expensive. This, guys, I always tell you that insurance is expensive, medical aid is expensive. If people do not have such, we must not judge them. These things are expensive, and sometimes you pay for about 4 or 5 years without even claiming, So yeah, no, this is so hurtful. Also, let us carry Owami in prayer, because this is honestly a difficult time for her, because all this brings bread to her table. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe while you're at it. This is your girl Disebo D. I love you. Peace. Bye.